Hello, aspirants. Welcome to Toppernicus. Hope you're doing great and having a wonderful preparation time. We know that after the recent notification about MBA CET 2021, which states that now the test duration will be 120 minutes to solve 200 questions, there has been some anxiety, there has been some excitement too surrounding this point. So, after we received some messages, calls from the students, we decided to come up with this short video. This is an attempt where we have tried to consider multiple possibilities that may arise with this factor coming in. So, let us see what all things can be served in the plate for us. So, without much delay, let's head towards the presentation. So let us discuss about the X factor of MBA CET 2021. Yes, 120 minutes. आई एम श्योर आपके सामने अभी वो स्टॉप वॉच आपको दिखने लग गया होगा जिसमें आपके सामने 120 मिनट्स और 200 क्वेश्चंस ये इक्वेशन आपको दिख रहा है. अर्लियर वी यूज टू हैव 45 सेकेंड्स पर क्वेश्चन. नाउ it has come down to 36 seconds per question. So this has now become super race against time. But not to worry, let us see how we can deal with this. So this was the news which caught everyone's eyeballs today. So you can clearly see that the first part talks about the syllabus. So अगर हम syllabus के बारे में देखेंगे तो most of the parts are the same that used to be earlier for MBA CET. The major change that has been observed is about the test duration, 120 minutes, right? So इस पूरे announcement में there is only one major change and that is 120 minutes. The number of questions remains same. The sections are also the same. There is just one major change and that is about 120 minutes. अब स्टूडेंट्स कहेंगे सर ये भले ही एक चेंज हो बट देन दिस इज अ मेजर वन. यस यू आर राइट बट लेट अस सी हाउ वी कैन डील विद दिस. So if we discuss that what are the possible scenarios in case this new equation comes into picture. So we see that there are three different scenarios that stand in front of us. पहली तो ये हो सकता है कि जो difficulty level है that may show trend similar to the 2011 के पहले वाले papers जहाँ पे you can classify the paper as easy. In this scenario, wherein we call the paper as easy, JBIMS cutoff can be in the range of 125 to 130. Now, if you move to the next scenario wherein difficulty level is slightly below what has been observed over the last couple of years, which you can classify as easy to moderate, यहाँ पे आप कह सकते हो कि द JBIMS कट ऑफ कैन बी इन द रेंज ऑफ 115 to 120. एंड कमिंग टू द थर्ड सिनेरियो जहाँ पे what we assume is the difficulty level to be same as that of the previous few years. In that scenario, since we will have a challenge in the overall difficulty level, the cutoff should be in the range of 105 to 110. But a common guesstimate that we can put in here is that since the number of questions will remain same and the time will drop significantly, so there should be a change in the difficulty level and should tilt towards a lesser difficult side. But as these are all speculations, we need to be open to all these type of scenarios. अभी अगली बात ये आती है कि सर ये सब हो तो गया बट देन हाउ शुड वी गो अहेड. So students, there are multiple points in your syllabus which can prove to be score booster for you in this 120 minutes wala game. Let us look at those points. The very first point is visual reasoning. 25 questions. If you ask any champion, he'll tell you that it is possible to crack all the 25 questions in a span of 15 to 18 minutes. And if you practice really well, this can give you the time advantage and also boost your score. So this forms component 1 of your score booster package. Point number 2, reasoning minus puzzles minus input output minus critical reasoning. सो आपके जो भी टॉपिक्स लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के, जिसे आप ट्रेडिशनल लॉजिक भी कहते हो कुछ लोग, लाइक सिलॉजिज्म, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, अल्फा न्यूमेरिक सीक्वेंस, ब्लड रिलेशंस, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. Since most of you know the techniques to solve these questions in short time, आपको ये questions एक बहुत ज़्यादा जंप दे सकते हैं in terms of your score and also to save your time. Point number 3 in the booster is grammar. Most of the students would think कि अभी तो ये equation आ गया है तो English में पता नहीं how we will deal with English as a section, but believe me students, English grammar will be a major savior. क्यों? ईदर आपको वो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. Within a matter of 5 to 10 seconds, you will be in a position to mark the answer and move ahead. So English grammar around 20 to 25 marks is a huge part of the score booster. अब आते हैं कौन सेक्शन की तरफ. There are certain topics such as number series, quadratic equations, inequalities which have the potential to boost your score. Q. Now there are multiple other topics which may feature as individual questions. अभी individual questions में बात ये है कि we do not know the difficulty level जो हमें देखने को मिलेंगी. So it may happen कि आपको वहाँ पे शायद 1 मिनट लग जाए, 1.5 मिनट लग जाए, but then these topics can help you to boost your score. The next part is DI. लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स में हमने देखा है कि काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स DI देखने को मिले हैं, बट सिंस नाउ द टाइम हैज़ गॉन डाउन, यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट मोर सिंपल DI टू कम इन the paper which you can solve very easily if you are good at basic calculations. So please students, start getting very good at basic calculations. And the next part similar to DI is you can expect कि there will be more simple or short puzzles in the paper as compared to the challenging ones. क्योंकि last कुछ सालों में आपने देखा होगा कि challenging puzzles with multiple variables have actually blocked most of the puzzles part. So herein the picture may reverse, so you can expect some short puzzles, simple puzzles which you can solve easily, and आप एक bunch में वो पूरे के पूरे score आपके साथ ले सकते हो. So these are some of the score booster parts which you can get really good at. A disclaimer, this is a generalized score booster package that we have designed. There will be many students for whom there would be topics other than these which they can do good at. ये हमने एक जनरल रिव्यू लिया है स्टूडेंट से एंड एवरेज आउट करके ये टॉपिक्स यहाँ पे दिखाए हैं. वेल, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ये सब होने से व्हाट कैन यू गेन, आपको क्या मिलेगा. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज अबाउट पजल गेम. You just listen to any of the students who has written CET earlier and he'll tell you two things. First, एक तो puzzle में he got stuck and he ended up wasting too much of time and hence he could not attempt many questions. And the second is, since he knew कि वो puzzle में stuck हो जाएगा, so उसने puzzle को हाथ ही नहीं लगाया, right? But now the game will change. You do not need to worry too much about the puzzle game because you have a larger scope to solve questions, right? 120 minutes, 200 questions. So you can play about it at the same time. Since time कम हो रहा है, so you can expect some simple to moderate level puzzles to feature in. Same goes for DI. DI में भी ऐसी तरीके के कुछ चीज़ लास्ट 2-3 साल में देखने मिला है, but since now the time has come down, you can expect more easy to moderate DI to feature in the paper, which you can crack with proper calculations, and also for an RC. So especially long passages as well as passages based on verbal ability have crowded the verbal ability and reading comprehension section. With this scenario coming in, you may expect a bit of relief when it comes to RC also. So do not take any section as a ignored part. Now there are some general things also which will be an advantage to you. The very first thing is, logically we can deduce that there would be a dip in the difficulty level, at least to a slight extent. Again, these are the assumptions that we are making based upon the change in the pattern. The second is, this gives you a super duper advantage to play by your strength. अर्लियर होता यह था कि आपके पास स्कोप नहीं रहता था कि ये मेरा फेवरेट सेक्शन है तो मैं पहले ये करता हूँ, या फिर आई सॉल्व ओनली दीज क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली यू वर फियरफुल कि आपका कॉम्पिटिटर अगर इतने क्वेश्चंस कर लेगा तो क्या होगा. बट नाउ हियर यू हैव अ वाइड स्कोप टू सिलेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, राइट? So you can select from the 200 questions which all questions you need to attempt. And the final thing is about draining out. So most of the students used to complain कि after a period of say 1.5 to 2 hours you start feeling a bit low on energy. So maybe with the time coming down you can utilize this energy in a more better way. So you have multiple things to gain, right? Okay. So coming to the concluding part, let's see what should be your primary plan for MBA CET 2021. The very first thing is, students, please continue your preparation without other thoughts. I've seen many students, they are trying to hop from one platform to other to just see कि ये 120 minutes का क्या करे. For the students who follow cricket, आप मुझे बताओ, if the team realizes कि it is cloudy, क्या वो टीम ऐसे करती है कि do they keep on calculating कि 50 ओवर्स की जगह 48 ओवर्स की मैच होगी या 45 की होगी, 42 की होगी, क्या करे, कैसे करे? They continue their preparation because if you are prepared, you can play any format of the game. So please continue your preparation. Please do not get distracted. Point number 2. It is very essential to understand this point about hybrid preparation plan. Since we have so much scenarios in front of us and no one of us knows exactly what will turn out, a hybrid preparation plan will help the students to a great extent. Now what is hybrid preparation plan? Not to worry, we have arranged a free session. It should be scheduled very soon. We will request you to please join our Telegram channel by the name MBA CET 2021 Toppernicus. We are planning to schedule this session very soon. We will keep you posted in this particular channel. This is going to be an interesting session, students, wherein we will try to cover all the aspects which should better your preparation so that you do not miss out on any aspect. Okay, so please stay tuned. The next part is about caution. Since अभी ये announcement सामने आई है, but still we should be in a phase of caution. Let's see if there is some reconsideration from the body. So maybe in the next 1 or 2 weeks, things should become more clear. And the most important part with this particular concept coming in is importance of mock tests. So apart from preparation, the other thing that should really worry is to write more and more mocks, because ultimately mock test will give you the hold over the strategy that will ultimately yield you the result. So writing mock test should be one of the top priorities for every student. So We will conclude over here with the primary plan. Again, stay tuned. We are planning an interesting session called the hybrid preparation plan, which all of you will surely benefit. Well, on a concluding note, we have started preparing the full length mocks according to the new pattern from today itself. So you can access to these also. We have tried to cover the concept of hybrid mock pattern in this particular test too. The details about this has been given in the description box below. So thank you so much, aspirants. Stay tuned and prepare really well. Enjoy. Cheers to great discussion.